joined us here, welcome to my channel. We continue to learn Bootstrap, and in the end of this course we're going to be able to make a website like this one. This is a Bootstrap website made for illustration to show how Bootstrap works and how we can use it to build websites. It's mobile friendly, user friendly, very fast, and responsive. Let us get started. In this video, we are going to learn about Bootstrap paragraphs and buttons. In the last video, we tackled carousel, which is this sliding part of the website. Now we continue with the paragraphs and the buttons. Let us see. So, like I said, contents of your website will be in a div, which is inside a row, which is inside a container. So we start with the div of class container, then inside this div of class container, we shall have a div of class row. Then inside this div we shall have our div, maybe class okay. Then we can copy this and do it again and again. So now here you have this row we have divided into 3 columns, okay, but the sum of this and this value and this value is more than 12. So if we want 3 equal parts, we should make this 4 4 4, okay, 4, make this 4 and this and this. That way we shall have 3 columns, okay. But now we want to make this 2, the first one 2, the second one 2, no, the third one 2, but the second one we make it 8. So the third one, the one in the middle will be bigger than the 2 at the extremes, but the sum value, the value of this, the sum of this is 12. So inside this div we shall have a paragraph, okay, with dummy text. So when you save this, there should be a paragraph at the center. You see, this leaves 2 this side and 2 this side, and now the normal margin of a container, this is at the center, okay. Now this is a paragraph. P is a HTML tag for paragraph, as you can see. Now the buttons. To create a button, of course a button is a link, yeah. So you create a button like that, the link, then you're going to have a path where you want the button to go to, and now the name of the button, maybe click here. To make this is just a link right now. If you refresh this, there will be a link, as you can see. Click here, the link. But to make it a button, we give it a class. So class btn for button, okay. So now this is a class button, as you can see. It's a button now, but we need to style this button further, okay. Class btn, then btn dash success. That is a green button. Refresh this, you can see it's a green button, okay. We want this in red. Red is danger. If you want it in blue, blue is info. You see, we also have another blue called primary. Okay, you see, this is a different blue. Now you can see these colors from here. Okay, if you look at this link color, simple, primary, alert. Okay, this is primary, this blue, then this is secondary, this gray, this is success, the green, this is danger, the red, this is warning, the yellow, this is info, alert. Okay, this is dark, the black. Okay, so we conclude our paragraphs and buttons class. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.